Yo, what's up guys? Today we're diving into something super cool. How nature literally rebuilds itself from nothing. We are talking about ecological succession. Specifically, primary and secondary succession. And trust me, it's way more interesting than it sounds. Let's get into it. Okay, now question 1. What is succession? Alright, so imagine a place where life just straight up doesn't exist. No plants, no soil, no nothing. Now fast forward a few hundred or thousand years and boom. It's a thriving forest. That's succession. The natural process of how ecosystems recover and develop over time. But there are two types, primary and secondary succession. Let's break them down. Number 2, primary succession. Life from nothing. This is the hardcore version. Primary succession happens in places where there was never life before, like after a volcanic eruption or when a glacier melts. There's no soil, just bare rock. But nature's built different. The first to move in, pioneer species. Things like lichens and moss, they're the MVPs that start breaking down rock into soil. Then, once there's a little bit of dirt, small plants like grasses pop up. Over time, shrubs and trees take over. And boom, you've got a whole ecosystem that started from literally nothing. Example, the Hawaiian Islands, formed by volcanoes and now covered in a lush forest. Now, number 3, secondary succession. The comeback story. Now, secondary succession is like nature hitting the reset button. It happens when a place that used to have life gets wiped out. Think wildfires, floods, or abandoned farmland. But this time, the soil is still there, which means it happens way faster than primary succession. First, you'll see fast-growing plants like weeds and grasses. Second, then shrubs and small trees take over. Third, eventually, if left alone, the area can go back into a full-blown forest again. Another example is when a forest recovers after a wildfire. And finally, number 4.